Agricultural communities developed approximately 10,000 years ago when humans began to domesticate plants and animals. In the United States, both Chinese and Japanese ginger is grown in Hawaii. Ginger is a popular spice used in various dishes worldwide and has numerous health benefits. However, traditional ginger farming methods can be time-consuming and labor-intensive and can result in lower crop yields. With this new technology, farmers can increase their crop yields, reduce labor costs, and grow ginger more efficiently. Have you ever wondered, how advanced could ginger harvesting technology be? Through how many stages does it have to pass in order to get to your dining table? If so, then please watch this video till the end, because we will answer all these questions and more in today's video. Welcome to the Incredible Agriculture channel, where we discuss modernized farming practices. Ginger belongs to the family Zingiberaceae. It is an important tropical horticultural plant and an important spice crop used in various medicinal and culinary preparations. Smart farming technologies are transforming ginger horticulture for the future. Smart farming focuses on increasing farm productivity using technology, hardware, and software. Smart farming aims to manage farms, plantations, and all associated farming activities using IoT, drones, robotics, and machinery. Ginger has been used in medical substances containing aromatic properties for ages. Southeast Asian countries are the origin of ginger. Currently, ginger is cultivated in countries like India, China, Jamaica, Taiwan, Fiji, Mauritius, Brazil, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, and Bangladesh. Ginger, having a lot of health benefits, goes through different cultivation practices that use revolutionary farming technology, after which it goes through modern processing in factories. The technology we are discussing today is a hydroponic system for growing ginger. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil. Instead, plants are grown in nutrient-rich water or other growing mediums, such as coconut coir, perlite, or vermiculite. Hydroponic systems are becoming increasingly popular in agriculture because they are efficient and require less water, space, and labor compared to traditional farming methods. The hydroponic system for growing ginger involves a series of vertical pipes or channels where ginger plants are grown. The ginger rhizomes, which are the underground stems that produce the ginger plant, are placed in net pots filled with a growing medium. The net pots are then placed in the vertical pipes, and nutrient-rich water is circulated through the pipes, providing the plants with the nutrients they need to grow. One of the significant advantages of this hydroponic system is that it allows farmers to grow ginger all year round. Ginger is a tropical plant that requires warm temperatures and a consistent water supply to grow successfully. Traditional farming methods can be limited by seasonal changes, droughts, and other weather conditions that can affect the growth and yield of ginger. With this hydroponic system, farmers can control the environment and provide the ideal growing conditions for ginger plants. Another advantage of this system is that it requires less space than traditional farming methods. The vertical pipes can be stacked on top of each other, making it possible to grow more ginger plants in a smaller area. This is particularly useful for farmers with limited land or those who want to maximize their growing space. The hydroponic system for growing ginger also requires less water than traditional farming methods. Because the water is recirculated, there is less water waste, and farmers can conserve water resources. This is particularly important in areas where water is scarce or where water conservation is a priority. Finally, this hydroponic system for growing ginger can result in higher crop yields. The controlled environment and consistent water and nutrient supply can result in healthier and more robust ginger plants, which can produce more ginger per plant. This can translate to increased profits for farmers and a more sustainable farming operation. Advancements are also being achieved in traditional soil-based agriculture for ginger growers. The automatic ginger planting trencher machine is widely used in field cultivation. Planting ginger machines are also used widely. The fresh ginger food processing washing machine and seaweed cleaning machine has components like PLC, engine, bearing, gearbox, motor, and pressure vessel. The equipment is made of stainless steel material except for standard parts such as the motor and bearing, which fully meets the requirements of export food hygiene. It has the characteristics of clean, high, energy-saving, water-saving, stable, and reliable equipment. Its operation is simple. It has convenient maintenance and a convenient connection. The equipment operates with a bubble-generating device, which is a material rolling state to remove the pesticide residue on the surface of the produce, and at the same time, an appropriate amount of the agent can be added to perform antiviral cleansing. It has different models with different capacities and power depending upon the company and workload. There are machines that further improve ginger production efficiency, such as a ginger plant extract tablet producer making crushed ginger powder. This machine's purpose is to make dry powder. It's a powder mill machine and pulverizer grinder machine which makes superfine powder and has high efficiency, easy operation, low consumption, and high efficiency. In conclusion, the hydroponic system for growing ginger is a revolutionary technology that is transforming the way farmers grow ginger. This system allows farmers to grow ginger all year round, requires less space and water, and can result in higher crop yields. With this technology, farmers can increase their profits, reduce labor costs, and grow ginger more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our incredible agriculture channel for more exciting videos on agricultural technologies. That's all for today. Hope you found this video fascinating. Share your thoughts with us. Do you think that hydroponic systems are sage ways to grow ginger? Do you think that ginger should be grown how it has been for over 10,000 years? If you have any questions related to this, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.